As we've been talking a lot about the mastermind, I just want to clarify something that is just super important. Okay, the mastermind is the greatest source of power, considering that power is organized effort and thought is energy. Sorry, power is organized energy, and thought is the greatest form of energy. If thought organized towards a direct aim is the mastermind, and that's the greatest power, then it is super important that you choose the right people to hang out with, okay? What that means is it is super important to not hang out with the wrong people, okay? To take a poker analogy, if any of you know poker, you get dealt a lot of hands and you have to fold a lot of hands. A lot of people, Earl Nightingale says this, the problem with most people is they simply don't think. There's a subconscious bias where we have a tendency to follow the crowd. We think that just because the millions are doing it, that it is the right way. It is not the right way. It is the average way. The people who are ahead are so far ahead, you can't even see them. So the first step in getting into the right mastermind is to avoid all the wrong people. And this is one of the places where most people will get left behind at the starting line. Most people can't let go of their friends who, I know a lot of success people will call them loser friends, and I don't want to call them that. But you're looking to be exceptional. You want more than the average life. So you simply cannot spend all your time, or even a good chunk of your time, with the wrong people. The first step is to not hang out with people who are not going anywhere in their life. It's a very yes or no decision. You decide not to hang out with them. Spend your time reading books from great minds. Learn about the world. Increase your understanding of the world. Because from this, your mind will form more accurate knowledge, ideas, and you will be able to create and attract the right kinds of people. Okay? Eventually, you will get into the right mastermind. But the very first step is avoid the wrong people. Good luck.